Is your Xtraboost Wi-Fi extender acting up? Before you throw it out the window, let's try a factory reset. This will wipe all your settings and often fixes slow speeds or connection drops. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate reset button. First, look for a tiny pinhole or small reset button on the side or bottom of the Xtraboost Wi-Fi extender. Step 1. Plug in extender to power. Now plug in Xtraboost extender to power socket and wait a few moments until lights turn solid. Step 3. Press reset button. Now press and hold reset button for 10 seconds. Release button when the lights flash rapidly or turn off and on again. Once the lights settle, the Xtraboost is back to its original factory state. Now you can reconnect it to your router using the default Wi-Fi name on the sticker. That's it. It's now fresh out of the box. Reconnect to your network to get that Xtraboost speed back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more video. Thanks for watching.